Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel. So in this video I would like to show you the way how you can create your own animation on Canva. So here, just open your Canva application on your phone and also open the project that you have done, and the next you just need to tap into the object that you want to create the animation, and the next you just need to go tap on it again. My bad. Tap on it and then just take a look on this button feature, swipe into the left side until you got this animate. Tap on it and there could be an options down part here. Just tap into tools and there could be an option of create an animation. Tap on it and that could be this type of the animation, and then you just need to go drag the object into this specific area so that could be give you this road to make the text here moving just like the way how you can drag it. And now you can see you already create your own animations. Just tap done and you're done. So that's for today's tutorial. Hopefully you enjoy it, and if you still have some questions, just drop into the comment sections below and let's meet again into other tutorial.